Welcome back to this monthly abstract art series. Last month, we began with a soft, gentle piece inspired by tulips. And now, we move into March. This month's theme is about how change happens quietly first. March is a month of subtle change, small shifts quietly reshaping the world around us. As you watch this speed paint, imagine the small changes in your own life, the ones that begin before you even notice them, and let yourself get inspired to create your own abstract piece. If you'd like to create your own version, use this month's prompt and share your art with the hashtag #AbstractArtWithVivi. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.